Tiny 11 Origin, the first and original version of Tiny 11, remastered for 2026, designed for gaming and high-performance builds. Today, we test how fast it really is. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Windows 11. Honestly, the start menu is crowded. It's packed with pins you'll never touch and comes with dozens of apps you don't need. Clutter everywhere, slowing you down and distracting you from what matters. Now look at Tiny 11 Origin. The start menu is clean and minimal. No pins, no extra apps, but Defender and Microsoft Store still work perfectly. A fresh Windows 11 install takes around 32.4 gigabytes before you add anything. Most of that space is eaten by bloat, background services, and features you'll never use. Your storage fills up fast. Now look at Tiny 11 Origin. It only takes about 4 gigabytes. That's 1/8 the size, perfect for devices low on storage. No bloat, no junk, no unnecessary apps. The most asked question, RAM usage. First, Windows 11. On a 4 gigabyte system, it uses about 2.3 gigabytes at idle. Tiny 11 Origin, after installation, uses around 1.2 gigabytes, almost half. You can get it down to 700 megabytes with Velotic, or just turn Windows 11 into Tiny 11 in one click. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. Let's check CPU usage and background activity. Windows 11 runs around 150 processes, over 2,000 threads, and roughly 61,000 handles. Even when idle, it's busy doing a lot of work you don't need. Tiny 11 Origin runs only 104 processes, 1,050 threads, and about 35,000 handles. It removes the background junk and unnecessary services Microsoft preloads, while keeping all essential processes intact. The result? A Tiny 11 frees up your CPU so it focuses on what you actually want, making your system faster and more responsive immediately. Now let's check Geekbench 6 performance. But first, a little intro about us. We are the original creator of Tiny 11. We released Tiny 11 Origin in fall 2021, just 1 week after Windows 11's developer release. Most of you may also be aware of NT Dev's version released in 2023, but Tiny 11 Origin came out well before that. Our Tiny 11 builds are designed for safe daily use. They are fully tested for security and stability, so you can run them without worrying about hidden risks that sometimes appear in other third-party builds. Here are the Geekbench 6 scores on the same system. Windows 11, 2,270, single-core, 5,872 multi-core. Tiny 11 has a noticeable jump in performance, higher efficiency, faster processing, and more headroom for multitasking and applications. Even on identical hardware, Tiny 11 gets more done without compromising stability or security. If you want to try it yourself, check the pinned comment for the link to Tiny 11 Origin. After the benchmark, Tiny 11 Origin scores 2,531 single-core, 6,702 multi-core. Now, let's talk about Windows Defender. Some users rely on it, some prefer third-party antivirus, and others avoid it because of false alerts. Tiny 11 gives you full control. By default, Defender is turned off, but you can enable it anytime. Open the Configure toolbox, go to the Windows Defender tab and click Enable. Defender will start protecting your system immediately. Simple, fast, and fully under your control. Next, let's cover Windows updates. By default, updates in Tiny11 are paused. This means Windows won't install anything automatically unless it's an emergency security update. If you want to enable updates fully, open the Settings app, go to Updates, and turn them on. As you can see, the system is fully up to date. You also have the option to disable updates entirely via the Configure app. I don't recommend this, though. Turning off updates completely can break Microsoft Store and other essential features. Now, let's talk about the Microsoft Store. It works just like on any regular Windows build, as long as updates are enabled. It may take a couple of minutes for the store to update to the latest version in Tiny11 Origin, but it works without any issues. Tiny11 comes with no pre-installed apps, so you can install essentials like Notepad, Calculator, or Snipping Tool. Just search for the app you need, click Get, and it installs automatically. That's it. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account to access all your purchased apps and games seamlessly. And just like that, Calculator is installed and ready, fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Tiny11 Origin is a premium service, built for performance, privacy, and peace of mind. No lag, no clutter, just fast, reliable Windows. Free builds may come with malware. Tiny11 Premium keeps you safe, fast, and worry-free. You pay for security, stability, and lifetime support. The smart choice for anyone who values speed and security. Thanks for watching. This is the Harbor of Tech sailing off.